Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that our grammar, some chapters left and others completed. Now today we start our English reader chapter 2nd, that is a tiger in the house. Okay, a tiger in the house. Okay. Now what is the story of a tiger in the house? Clear? So listen carefully. A Tiger in the House is written by the Ruskin Bond. Okay, who is the writer of this chapter? Ruskin Bond. Clear? So, what is the story tell us about? Story is about the tiger, a Timothy tiger. Okay, means a cub. Okay, so how that cub means become a family member, how that cub become a friend of all members of the family. So, let's start our chapter. So, write down and you all open your English reader notebook also and write down hard words with me. Clear? So, let's start our chapter. Ruskin Bond is a prolific and well acclaimed Indian author of British descent who has made a remarkable contribution to children's literature. He was conferred the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992, means he got Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 and the Padam Shri in 1999 and the Padam Bhushan in 2014. Most of his works are gently influenced by life in the foothills, means जो उनकी लाइफ है वो फुट हिल्स पे ही गुजरी है ऑफ द हिमालयाज. His own experiences and observations. Now, we read this interesting story about the author's grandfather and his new pet, a tiger. Okay, so we read a story of tiger. Now, here you all write down hard words also. So, write down hard words. First is prolific. Second is acclaimed, decent, remarkable, experiences, observations. Clear? Now, Timothy the tiger cub was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle near Dehra. Means a journey, expedition means a journey undertaken by a group of people with a particular purpose. Okay, तो एक group of people जो journey के लिए गया था and there he saw a tiger cub. Grandfather saw a tiger cub. Grandfather was no shikari, but as he knew the forest of the Shivlik hills better than most people, he knew about that forest, Shivlik hills. He was persuaded to accompany the party. It consisted of several very important persons from Delhi to advise on the terrain. Terrain means what? Territory and the direction the beaters should take once a tiger had been spotted. The camp itself was sumptuous. What is the meaning of sumptuous? Splendid, very good, very nice, that camp. 7 large tents, a dining tent, 7 large tents थे. Okay, a dining tent था and a number of servant tents थे वहाँ पे. The dinner was very good, dinner बहुत अच्छा था. As grandfather admitted afterwards, it was not often that one saw hot water, plates, finger glasses and 7 or 8 courses in a tent in the jungle, but that was how things were done in the days of the viceroys. There were also some 15 elephants. वहाँ पे कुछ 15 elephants भी थे. 4 of them with howdahs for the shikaris. और कुछ वहाँ howdahs से आए थे for the shikaris. And the others specially trained for taking part in the beat. और कुछ को वहाँ trained किया गया था. The sportsman never saw a tiger. Sportsman ने कभी tiger नहीं देखा था. Nor did they shoot anything else. और उन्होंने कभी shoot भी नहीं किया था किसी को. Though they saw a number of deer, peacock and wild boar. उन्होंने क्या क्या देखा? Deer, peacock and wild boar there. They were giving up all hope of finding a tiger and were beginning a shoot at jackals. And they started shoot of jackals. They started jackals shooting. Clear? Now, when grandfather is strolling down the forest path at some distance from the rest of the party, discovered a little tiger about 18 inches long, hiding among the intricate roots of a banyan tree, and grandfather picked him up and brought him home after the camp had broken up. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged any game, dead or alive. Grandfather picked him and brought him home after the camp had broken. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged any game, dead or alive. Means that grandfather take a tiger cub at home after the camp is over. Now, write down some hard words more. Accompany, after that consisted, after write down, strolling, consisted, strolling, pegged, consisted, strolling, pegged, bagged, discovered, strolling, pegged, discovered. After that, what is now? Okay, next. Now, what happened? Now, grandfather take the tiger cub at home. Okay. After, at first the tiger cub who was named Timothy by grandfather. Now, grandfather ने उस tiger cub का नाम क्या रखा? Timothy. Okay. What is the name of the tiger? Timothy. Was brought up entirely on milk given to him in a feeding bottle by a cook, Mahmoud. और उसको फीड कराया जाता था, फीडिंग बॉटल से मिल्क पिलाया जाता था. और कौन कराता था? महमूद, दैट देयर कुक, ग्रैंडफादर हाउ कुक. But the milk proved too rich for him and he was put on a diet of raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by a more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbit. Now, after that, they decide to give him raw mutton and cod liver oil. Okay. Timothy was provided with two companions, Toto and the monkey. अब Timothy को दो companions से मिलाया गया, Toto and the monkey. Toto name is of the monkey, Toto the monkey, who was bold enough, बहुत bold था वो, to pull the young tiger by the tail and then climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper, and a small mongrel puppy. And another one is a small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. उस वो grandfather को कहाँ मिला था? रोड पे मिला था. Okay. So three animals are there: tiger, monkey and a puppy. At first Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy and darted back with a spring if it came too near. He would make upshot dashes at it with his large forepaws and then retreat to a ridiculously safe distance. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. Means starting में तो grandfather ने जो है वो puppy को दूर रखा, and after he make him his friendship, तो उसको फिर खुद के back पे ले, means puppy to crawl, फिर उसको घुमाने ले गए and rest there. One of Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone who would play with him. And so, when I came to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorite. With a crafty look in his glittering eyes and his body crouching, he would creep closer and closer to me. Means he come closer and closer to me. वो मेरे closer आए जा रहा था. And पपी की जो एक आदत थी वो क्रॉल कर मीन्स वो छेड़ने की आदत थी. फेवरेट मीन्स टू स्टॉक एनीवन, किसी को भी वो स्टॉक मीन्स टू परस्यू अप्रोच स्टिथली. ओके. Look in his glittering eyes and his body crouching, he would creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet, rolling over on his back and kicking with delight and pretending to bite my ankles. He was by this time the size of a full grown retriever, and when I took him out of for walks, people on the road would give us a wide berth means जैसे ही मैं उसको रोड पे लेकर जाता और लोग उसको ज़्यादा स्पेस दे देते क्योंकि एवरीवन हैव फियर ऑफ पपीज. क्लियर. People on the road would give us a wide berth when he pulled hard on his chain. I had difficulty in keeping up with him. His favorite place in the house was the drawing room. Okay? जो उसकी favorite place थी वो कौन सी थी? Drawing room. And he would make himself comfortable on the long sofa. और वो कहाँ पे खुद को comfortable feel करता था? Long sofa पे. Reclining there with great dignity and snarling at anybody who tried to get him off. Timothy had clean habits, बहुत उसकी अच्छी habits थी, and would scrub his face with his paws. वो खुद का face खुद ही scrub कर लेता था paws से. Okay? Exactly like a cat. He slept at night in the cook's quarters. और वो कहाँ सोता था? Cook's quarter में. And was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. One of these days, declared grandmother in her prophetic manner, we are given to find Timothy sitting on Mahmoud's bed and no sign of the cook except his clothes and shoes. Okay? उसके clothes और shoes के अलावा कोई sign नहीं थी. Of course, it never came to that, but when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. Okay? When, now first of all write down some hard words of from this paragraph also. Write down glittering. First of all write down, companions. 15th is glittering. Glittering. Kicking. Glittering. Kicking. Pretending. Delight. Delight. Pretending. Delight, pretending, amusements, amusements, amusements. Next is ridiculously, ridiculously, crawl, crawl. Okay. Now crawl after dignity, 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 dignity after. Okay, after we do. Now, so here 22 hard words are there. Prolific, acclaimed, decent, remarkable, experiences, observations, accompany, consisted, strolling, pegged, begged, discovered, companions, glittering, kicking, delight, pretending, amusements, ridiculously, crawl and dignity. Clear? Okay? So these are the 22 hard words. Now next. Of course it never came to that, but when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. Now what change occurred? He grew steadily less friendly. When out for a walk with me, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet pecknies. Means वो क्या करता था? वो और कैट्स को और जो स्मॉल डॉग्स थे उनको पकड़ने की कोशिश करता था. Sometimes at night we would hear fringed crackling. Fringed crackling means wide uncontrolled voice. We listen from the poultry house. Poultry house से जब हमें आवाज़ सुनाई दी. And in the morning there would be feathers laying all over the veranda. में feathers पड़े थे. Timothy had to be chained up more often, and finally when he began to stalk Mahmoud about the house with what looked like villainous intent, wicked purpose, grandfather decided it was time to transfer him to a zoo. अब जब उसकी जो इतनी हरकतें थी, जो इतनी शैतानियाँ थी वो बढ़ती जा रही थी, तो ग्रैंडफादर ने डिसाइड किया कि उसको जू में छोड़ देना चाहिए. The nearest zoo was at Lucknow, 200 miles away. अब जो नियरेस्ट जू था वो कहाँ था? लखनऊ में था, वो भी 200 miles away. That is 200 miles away. Now, reserving a first class compartment for himself and Timothy. Now he reserved first class compartment for him or for Timothy. Okay, no one would share a compartment with them. और उनके साथ कोई भी वो कंपार्टमेंट शेयर नहीं कर सकता. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. Okay, well-mannered tiger उन्होंने as a gift accept किया. Clear? Well means at Lucknow zoo he left the